Welcome to LangChain Tutorial 7. Today, we're taking the biggest leap yet in LLM application architecture, building a multi-agent system using the powerful orchestration framework, LangGraph. We'll be creating a two-agent team, a researcher and a writer, demonstrating how specialized agents can coordinate and pass information via a central state, allowing us to execute complex, multi-step workflows cleanly and efficiently. As always, we start with the necessary installations and setup. We install LangGraph, LangChain Groq, and Python utilities. We import LangGraph components like stategraph and the essential annotated and operator.add for state management, and then initialize our blazing fast Groq LLM. The heart of a multi-agent system is the shared state. We define the multi-agent state type dict to hold the running messages, the current agent, and the original task. Next, we define our two specialized agents. The research agent focuses purely on providing detailed, factual information about the topic. It updates the state with its output, sets the current underscore agent to writer, and passes the flow along. The writer agent retrieves the research from the state, focuses purely on creating a clear, concise summary, and then sets the current underscore agent to end. This division of labor makes each agent highly specialized and effective. Now we orchestrate the flow using LangGraph. We define the state graph and add our two specialized functions as nodes. Then we define the directional edges. The flow starts at the research node, moves to the writer node, and then finally ends. This clear graph structure precisely controls how the agents work together to fulfill the task. Let's run our first task, research and summarize information about LangChain. The system starts at the researcher, which produces a long, detailed factual output. Then it seamlessly hands off to the writer, which takes that long research and generates a concise, easy-to-understand summary. We successfully executed a two-step, expert-driven workflow. We try a second topic to prove robustness. Explain Python async programming. The exact same workflow fires. The researcher provides the deep technical detail, and the writer converts that into an engaging, simplified explanation of asynchronous programming. The agents successfully collaborated on a completely different topic. In summary, multi-agent systems built with LangGraph are the future of complex AI applications. By leveraging specialized agents and clear state management, you can tackle intricate problems with better organization, modularity, and overall results.